Question 1. He promised dash back soon. A. To come. B. Coming. C. Come. Question 2. She avoided dash eye contact. A. To make. B. Making. C. Make. Question 3. We can't risk dash late again. A. To arrive. B. Arrive. C. Arriving. Question 4. I don't mind dash extra hours. A. Work. B. Working. C. To work. Question 5. I remember dash this movie before. A. To see. B. Seeing. C. See. Question 6. Please remind me dash the meeting. A. To attend. B. Attending. C. Attend. Question 7. She pretended dash asleep. A. B. B. Being. C. To be. Question 8. They managed dash the task on time. A. To finish. B. Finish. C. Finishing. Question 9. He refused dash us. A. To help. B. Help. C. Helping. Question 10. I'd rather dash at home tonight. A. Staying. B. Stay. C. To stay. Question 11. He suggested dash a taxi. A. To take. B. Taking. C. Take. Question 12. We decided dash the train instead. A. To take. B. Take. C. Taking. Question 13. She seems dash upset today. A. B. B. Being. C. To be. Question 14. He admitted dash the window. A. To break. B. Breaking. C. Break. Question 15. I can't afford dash there now. A. To go. B. Go. C. Going. Question 16. She tends dash too quickly. A. To decide. B. Deciding. C. Decide. Question 17. I forgot dash the lights off. A. Turning. B. Turn. C. To turn. Question 18. Don't hesitate dash me anytime. A. Contact. B. To contact. C. Contacting. Question 19. They agreed dash the contract. A. Sign. B. To sign. C. Signing. Question 20. I appreciate dash me yesterday. A. Help. B. To help. C. Helping. Question 21. I considered dash abroad for a year. A. Going. B. Go. C. To go. Question 22. He kept dash even after I told him to stop. A. To talk. B. Talking. C. Talk. Question 23. I can't imagine dash in that city. A. Living. B. Live. C. To live. Question 24. We expect dash soon. A. Hear. B. To hear. C. Hearing. Question 25. She's too young dash alone. A. Travel. B. To travel. C. Traveling. Question 26. He happened dash there when I arrived. A. To be. B. Be. C. Being. Question 27. They denied dash the rule. A. To break. B. Break. C. Breaking. Question 28. He offered dash us home. A. To drive. B. Drive. C. Driving. Question 29. I can't help dash about it. A. Worry. B. Worrying. C. To worry. Question 30. We stopped dash lunch at noon. A. To have. B. Have. C. Having. Question 31. She admitted dash a mistake. A. Making. B. Make. C. To make. Question 32. He promised never dash again. A. To lie. B. Lie. C. Lying. Question 33. I wish dash harder last year. A. I had studied. B. To study. C. Study. Question 34. She avoided dash questions. A. Answer. B. To answer. C. Answering. Question 35. They agreed dash early. A. To leave. B. Leave. C. Leaving. Question 36. I'm looking forward dash you soon. A. See. B. Seeing. C. To see. Question 37. He failed dash the target. A. To meet. B. Meet. C. Meeting. Question 38. She offered dash us around the city. A. Show. B. Showing. C. To show. Question 39. We managed dash there before sunset. A. To get. B. Get. C. Getting. Question 40. I advised him dash carefully. A. To drive. B. Driving. C. Drive. Question 41. He refused dash me. A. Help. B. To help. C. Helping. Question 42. She threatened dash the police. A. Call. B. To call. C. Calling. Question 43. He admitted dash the keys. A. Losing. B. To lose. C. Lose. Question 44. They suggested dash there by bus. A. Going. B. To go. C. Go. Question 45. We encouraged them dash early. A. Come. B. To come. C. Coming. Question 46. He mentioned dash a new job. A. Find. B. Finding. C. To find. Question 47. I can't stand dash late. A. Arriving. B. To arrive. C. Arrive. Question 48. She avoided dash any comment. A. Making. B. To make. C. Make. Question 49. They refused dash the document. A. To sign. B. Signing. C. Sign. Question 50. I offered dash her bags. A. To carry. B. Carrying. C. Carry.
You made it, and that's what counts. Respect for your brain power and stamina. Drop your score in the comments. Whether you crushed it or just survived, you've earned a virtual high five. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Cheers. Bye-bye.